Good morning, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're making buttermilk biscuits. This is a very easy recipe, starting off with 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. And 4 tablespoons of butter. And now the buttermilk, 3/4 cup of buttermilk. And after a couple of minutes, this is a paste you should have. It's a little bit sticky, but it doesn't stick to your hand, so it's not too wet. I'm using a smaller ice cream scoop, so all my biscuits are the same size. And I did get it wet a little bit, so it doesn't stick to it. And you just pipe it all on your baking sheet. I prefer to use silicone baking sheets because they for sure don't stick, and it just more convenient. So we got a big batch. Now let's bake it at 350 for 12 to 18 minutes. Depends on how strong your oven is. Always keep an eye on it. And here I melted some butter with fresh garlic. Yum. I like my biscuits salty with a lot of garlic on it. So I'm just brushing all of it in with this delicious butter garlic. And our biscuits finished, buttermilk biscuits. Very delicious, very easy to make. All you need is a blender and the ingredients, which is just a few ingredients. You know when it's ready? When the bottom is golden brown and the inside is soft and moist. Hope you enjoyed this video and bon appetit!